My name is Bongani Madakiza. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Lion of Africa Insurance. We have partnered with public sector entities since 1999, and we've provided customized solutions, and we've paid claims over R1 billion. Let's talk a bit about the strategic options that we implement in order for us to get to the financial results. The first one is, as I said, the discipline on how you take business on and how you rate that business. We're fairly comfortable that we have done that, and we've done that properly. We have chosen three markets in particular that we're going to play in. One is the commercial business. The second part is some of the niche businesses that involve marine and engineering. And thirdly, which has been the key thrust of our business in the last 8 to 10 years, it's the public sector. So that's the first part. The second part, what we said is we need to fix the balance sheet to make sure that our balance sheet is structured in a way that not only takes care of our customers, but also takes care of all the stakeholders, which means we needed to move some of our assets from either illiquid instruments and in certain instances, instruments that were quite volatile, and we moved those into cash or near cash instruments. That has made sure that it bolstered our balance sheet, but at the same time make sure that in an event of any problems, our customers can access that immediately. The third leg is around building capability in our business and making sure that we've got the right skills in the business, particularly around underwriting, particularly around actuarial. And fourthly, we focused on the service and making sure that we pay claims on time, we provide customers with feedback, and make sure that they get what we promised as an insurer. If we look at our numbers at the same period last year, as at end of June 2015, we made a loss of about 100 million. We made a loss of 3.4 million this year. As you can see, that is a swing of more than 90 million, just because we did the right things and we did them at the right time. Because of the activities that we've put in place, one of the things that we have been concerned about as a business is to make sure that our customers are protected. Now, the first leg of protecting your customers is to make sure that your solvency is strong. If you look at June 2015, our solvency was at 0.57. If you look at December 2015, our solvency was at 1. And since then, we've improved our solvency from that 1 to 1.88. And as you know, the requirement by the FSB is that your solvency should at least be at 1. In 2016, April, we had a credit rating downgrade. And of course, that was based on the 2015 numbers. I think if we were to be re-rated now by any of the rating agencies, we are comfortable that we would be, not only would we get a positive outlook, we would also be upgraded. And the reason is very simple. We have made the improvement, but not only that, the strategies that we've put in place are shown to be improving the operational performance, and therefore this augurs well for the rest of the year and the years to come. One of the key things about being an insurance company is that you must be able to pay claims. For the financial year December 13, we paid 562 million in claims. Financial year 14, we paid 597 million. Financial year December 15, we paid 666 million. And for half year up until June this year, we've already paid 456 million in claims. At the end of this year, we will be launching a new system that not only will allow us to process claims quicker, it will allow us to process policies and be able to underwrite quicker. All of those things are the things that we're going to do by the end of this year. Our intention is that by the 1st of November, we'll be able to bring on board a lot of the brokers so that they can be able to participate in the process of being onboarded onto our new system. Part of that is a web interface. We're doing that so that customers can track where the claims are at, can be able to see what is outstanding on their own from a claims perspective, and as a result, take out the frustration of having to follow up with either us or ourselves having to follow up with the customer must know what is outstanding and what are the things that they need to worry about in order for their claims to be settled. We are the premier insurer in the municipality space. We have done this work together with the municipalities over a long time. There were instances where municipalities were deemed to be business that people did not want to take on board, where municipalities received unfavorable reports from even the Auditor General. Even during those times, we were prepared to deal with those municipalities, help them find sound footing and be able to function properly. And we were able to protect them from downside risk. In our minds, we've demonstrated our capability and our commitment towards that industry. We currently have about 90 municipalities that we insure. Over and above the municipalities, we also have, we do a lot of business with the big metros, and we currently do 6 of the 8 metros in the country. We are delighted that in July this year, we not only renewed 80% of our municipalities, we also gained more than 15 new municipalities that were prepared to come to the Lion as a premier provider in the municipality space. That in our minds is not only a demonstration of the confidence that the municipalities have and the brokers have on us, it is also a testament of the service we've provided over the years. Look, I think if there is anything that is important in an insurance company, and I guess in any company, it is the ability to attract the right level of skill in the organization and build a core team that is going to be able to drive the business forward. I am delighted that we've been able to attract Anis Wazir as our CFO, and we've been able to attract Karen Kruger as our head of operations. We've been able to attract Sharon Skosana. But not only that, we continue to now strengthen our team both in actuarial and in underwriting skills. In closing, we appreciate the support we've received from you over the years, and we want to urge you to join us as we continue to grow into a great Lion and a South African story. Thank you.